So as you can see, today we won't be working on the truck. Got the OBS over here, and I'll make a video on that sometime this week. Today we're gonna be working on the 2008 Civic with the 1.8, and we're gonna be replacing the valve cover gasket, because as you can see, there's a whole bunch of oil everywhere. So we're gonna try to take care of that. And I'm also recording on my Android, so if the video's crappy, at least y'all won't be able to see it. And this is the stuff I ordered from Rock Auto, as well as the spark plugs. So hey guys, I think the first thing we gotta do is take care of the harnesses, take them off. Probably should have YouTubed it, but yeah. So hose right here. Gotta take these off. That's obviously a flathead, and then we can get to the bolts, which are 10 millimeters. And the harness, well, the harness under here, we can just unbolt it. I think there's bolts behind it, but I'll show y'all as we go along. So let me get started, guys. Alrighty guys, so I already got started, but I figured I might as well just put you on the tripod, that way I can kind of see what I'm doing. So yeah, let me get you guys set up, and hopefully this is a good angle. Alrighty guys, the valve cover's off, and as you can see, it's a little bit dirty in there, not too bad, but you can kind of see where the oil was making its way out. And right here, the silicone started getting well, I guess it started coming off, because right now when we put it back on, we're gonna put some silicone right here, because I think that's where the cover shuts against the block. So right now, just gonna clean this up a little bit, take the gasket off, and clean the groove where it goes, and then clean up right here around, make sure everything's good to go, and we'll be putting it back together, guys. That's simple. So let me get to cleaning this, and I'll put the gasket back on it. Alrighty guys, so we got it wiped down. Try to clean it as best as I could. This should work. Now we just need to put the gasket on it and clean the engine a little bit, so I can put it on. Just let me clean like all that stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna put the gasket on the valve cover, and well, hopefully it goes in smoothly. So let me get to this. Alright, so got it all cleaned up best as I could. Now we're gonna put the silicone right here, and I think I'm gonna let it tack up a little bit, so it makes a good adhesion and it doesn't leak. So let me get to that, guys, and I'll show you how I put the silicone on it. There we go. hopefully that's good enough. If not, then well, we'll be doing this again. I think should be kind of ready. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes to tack up, and then we can put the valve cover on. I think right now what I'm gonna do is clean up the bolts. So yeah guys, gonna let that sit, and should be ready. Alrighty, so I went ahead and put everything back together. I mean, everything's just, it comes on however you took it off. So yeah, and the bolts, whenever you're gonna get ready to tighten them up just by hand, and then I think you're gonna go this one and then this one, or whatever X pattern. They're gonna be torqued down to 7 foot-pounds, but since I don't have my torque wrench, let's just say they're good and tight. So now what I'm gonna do is change the spark plugs, and then I'm gonna try to get rid of all that griminess right there. But first we're gonna do plugs, and they're over there. So let me get to it, guys. Alright, so the gasket kit came with the seals for the coils, and it looks like it's gonna need some coils too, because that's a crack right there. Well, dang. I'll probably get those in next week. Come on. Yeah, so I can put them on. But good thing I found that. See, there's cracks over this side too. Well, just got 2 more to go, and we can start it up. Hopefully nothing went wrong and it runs smooth. So let's 2 more. Alrighty guys, so everything's ready to go. Got the old cap off because I'm gonna add a quart right now, but turned out good. I still gotta wash this off, but I'm probably gonna do it later once I get some better degreaser. Right now what I'm gonna do is turn it on. Hopefully everything's okay. Make sure everything was good. I don't know if I said it, but all 4 coils are cracked, so probably be doing that later. I did change the seals around the coils, all 4. Got the spark plugs too in there, and it should be pretty much ready to start. So let's see. Well, started. So I didn't mess anything up. Alright, so no leaks anywhere. Alright, so now I'm just gonna add some oil, but I'll do that off camera, guys. I think that's all I'm gonna do on this one. I'll probably get to that later on, but I'll do it off camera, or Yeah, we'll see. But yeah, guys, still gotta do a video on this one. There's no rebuilding this one or this one, but I've been getting subscribers coming for parts. So man, I really appreciate the support, guys. And well, if y'all need parts, just let me know. The transmission is kind of already sold to my neighbor. I'm just barely starting to pull it. The motor still there. Shit, the interior is still there too. I have the bezel somewhere back here, but oh, and the door panels too, they're gone. So yeah, guys. Yeah, well, phone's running out of battery, so it kind of cut me off right there, but I really appreciate it, guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for liking and subscribing. It's giving me motivation to get these things going. And well, sad to see this one's being parted out, but it won't be the last one on the channel, I promise. So guys, with that being said, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Take care. And I will catch you on the next one, guys. Peace.